Meaning of enviously.
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 Enviously. Enviously means feeling or showing envy, which is a feeling of discontent or resentment aroused by someone else's possessions, qualities, or luck. When someone feels envious, they may feel bitter or covetous towards others who have something they do not. This can manifest as longing or an intense desire to possess whatever it is that the other person has. Envy can be a destructive emotion if left unchecked, often resulting in negative behaviors such as gossip, resentment, and spite. It is important to recognize and manage feelings of envy to avoid harming oneself and others.